link somewhere that says you can start the broadcast? Because
Yeah,
I don't get to see.
yeah, it's the person who starts the Hangouts.
Oh, correct.
It's
Yes.
just
Okay.
a link
Cool.
right on the bottom.
Okay. Maybe when I start it, I'll get it. And could you also share your screen so that
Yep. It's still loading C9, but I'm sharing.
I had not even closed it yesterday. I just kept it open. I think immediately after that thing I went to sleep. So I'm like,
Is it sharing? Nope.
it did. I could see something got shared and I think it just went off.
Yeah, it worked. Darn it.
Just close that tab and
Ignore.
reopen it.
Nope. Yep. Okay.
I your screen is shared, but yeah, just close the tab. It's not working.
This is taking too long to load. Holy crap, so much people in the chat.
Really?
Yeah, there's a ton of people now asking for homework 2, homework 5, or 1 and 2.
Wow.
Oh
Okay.
gosh, stop.
Wash. It's like
Ah,
continuous series of. Yeah. What happened? Why isn't your C9 opening? It opened. I had not closed it last night, so it's there for
wait,
me.
try closing out of it and going back into it.
Oh, really? Oh, you want me to?
Yeah, on your
Should,
end.
should I take the risk of doing that? What if it doesn't come back up?
I'm assuming logging out and logging back in will probably fix it either way, so.
Okay. So let me also try opening that. Hey, wait a minute. Did we use your this thing or did we use mine
We used yours.
yesterday? Mine, right? So why not just is that what you're not able to get on right now?
Yeah,
Oh
I'll
crap,
see
okay.
if mine will open. Hold on.
Yours open. I'm able to see the share. I'm able
I'm
to open the
opening
share.
both of them right now, and neither of them are loading.
Okay, so then there's definitely some problem here because I'm able to open yours.
That's very odd. Okay, I'm gonna try logging out and logging back in. That'll probably fix it.
Sure. So you found somebody to do HW3?
No, there's just a ton of people in the chat saying random stuff.
Yeah, I know. Man, it's a daytime for you and you have free time, you can do it. Damn it.
If you want, we could pair for homework 3.
Then I've not even read the other, I've not even watched those videos, so I'll have to try and watch it tomorrow, my daytime, so that I can catch up with you. But we have homework 3, 4, and 5, and from the looks of it, each of them is taking like 3 hours, 4 hours to pair. Yeah, this is like long time.
Yeah.
Oof.
I'm just hoping that homework 2 is longer than the others are.
I it's my sincere hope too, but let's see.
Come on, load.
Your screen share went off, so I suppose that's on purpose. So, are you taking the advanced course as well?
Yeah, if I manage to finish enough of this course.
Sure, you will. Why will you not? Oh, crap, I still need to take quiz 3, quiz 4, and
Is it
then.
seriously still not going? Wow. Okay.
Got it?
No, it's not coming up. forever to load.
All of these things, these things are going live. That's the funny part. You want me to like remove the access and then re-give it to you?
Try that, yeah.
Okay, I'm like
I don't know if that'll work because it
removing.
won't even open my own workspace, but we should try that.
Oh, really? It's not even opening yours. Okay, that's
It's not even opening
just.
mine. Watch,
I'm
mine
able to
won't
open
even load.
yours. I'm able to open yours.
That's very weird. What even?
Huh. Are you using the same browser
Web
for
browser
our?
as before? Yeah. I can try flipping to Firefox. Maybe that'll work better.
Yeah, just try it out. This is crazy.
Why?
If possible, just shut down the entire browser and come back unless you're using the same browser for the Hangout. You
I'm
could just
not.
try that out.
I did just close out Chrome and come back and it didn't work.
Really? Okay, crap.
Yeah.
Okay.
I closed out, signed out of Cloud9, but let's see if a different browser fixes it. Chrome sometimes acts weird.
Yeah, Chrome is. Actually, I used to have this problem with Firefox earlier, but then Firefox smoothly handled all the fees right now. So I thought, okay, Chrome must have learned how to do this.
Come on. Yeah, it worked.
Ha! Nice. But your share is
Okay.
gone.
Yeah, I'll just
Cool.
put that back. Is it sharing?
Yes, it is.
Awesome.
Awesomeness.
What happened?
No, no, no. I'm just so while you were just booting, I was just trying to check how much more is there for me to read. I don't think so. I'm sleeping for the next couple of days. Okay. Okay, let's get the ball rolling. Sorry. Um.
Okay. Yeah, so what was going on last time that we couldn't do?
Oh, good question. So we were just trying to understand what is a show.erb. We had to put some in the new.erb. We had to fill that form something. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
Something somewhere. I don't know where it is. I don't even. Is it way up in the top for the part four
I think it's somewhere in the middle
cucumber.md?
for what we were doing.
I thought so too, but
Hold on. Stop that. Okay. Hold on. Are we on the same document? Can I see your cursor?
yes, we are. I can see
Yeah, I
you
see your
scrolling up.
cursor. Blah, 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 blah. We did the cucumber features, blah, blah, blah stuff, right?
No, I don't remember. I, I, I was asleep last night. You can't ask this question.
I think we did, and then we ran bundle.
Did we? Let me go and check the bash.
Uh,
Uh,
mine's cleared. Okay, we can just do it again. It's not like it's gonna hurt.
yeah.
I'm just gonna stick that in. Wait, oh. What am I changing the director to? Hangman?
HW, right? Is it Hangman? I thought it
Uh,
is HW because the HW Sinatra, that's where there is features directory, right?
okay. That would make sense too.
Tab should do. Just hit a tab and it'll fill up the rest of the
Eh.
things. Alright, so Cucumber. So what does Cucumber do? He said something, right? Cucumber does something. Da-da-da-tsh.
Um,
Cucumber lets you express integration test scenarios, which you'll find in features directory in .feature file you also have. Okay.
okay, so the two scenarios that are failing is because the form tag in view/new IRB is incorrect and incomplete.
Okay, so we did run this, I didn't know. Absolutely not redirecting. Okay,
Here's where we got stuck.
so yeah, we did. Now I recall.
Okay,
Okay, so where do you... Okay,
so
expected to find text, guess a letter in not found. How do you figure out which line he's failing?
wait, I think that's part 5,
What?
where it tells you to fix that stuff. There's a little bit we need to fix still for it to work.
What is that? What is written in part 4? Okay, what has he written after you run? What are you supposed to expect? You're supposed to, if you get an error in Kokomo like this one, just follow the advice and run bundle install first. No, that's done.
I don't think that's the error we
Um,
have, right? I think we're fine.
the scenario fails because the form tag in the views.new.erb is incorrect and incomplete in the information that tells the browser what URL to post the form to.
So if we look in show.erb, the form is action equals guess method equals post, and it only has method equals post. It doesn't have action equals guess. I think that's literally what needs to be fixed.
Because there is a submit here that I don't see submit in that. Oh, there's a submit there too.
What?
No, I was just trying to compare show.erb with new.erb.
I think just the
Ah,
form part matters down here.
no, it needs a destination URL as well as a method. Maybe the method, like you say, is no, the method is post, right? The method is already there. For method is post.
It's saying it only
The
fails because of the form tag. I think it's only the form tag that's a problem.
where where is it saying? Is it saying in the output or is it saying in
On
the
part 4, it says the scenario fails because the form tag is incorrect and incomplete.
okay, okay, so okay, so it's a new game. So new game is not a slash guess, right? New game is what did we call it? It just had to initialize, right? It's
I
not a slash
guess.
guess.
So we put in this, except we change
Oh,
it
listen,
to
listen. There is one slash new. Okay, so if you open app.rb, okay,
yeah,
where did I open? If you see there's a get slash new and a post slash create,
yeah,
and yeah, so somewhere here, maybe we gotta do something because if you notice, there's a post slash guess slightly down below, line number
14 on newer
40.
ERB.
No, in
Oh,
app.rb, line number
yeah,
40, right? So
yeah,
that kind of how do I put it is equivalent to what we are seeing in show.erb, right? The
yep,
action is slash guess and the method is post. That's what this guy's written, post slash guess, right?
yep.
So like that, what are we supposed to do? Are we supposed to do get new URB? get slash new or post slash new in the new.erp file. You see where I'm going?
Yeah.
So maybe the action is slash new and the method is get.
So action equals slash new and then method equals get.
It's just, yeah, that's
That
my
would make
guess.
sense. We should try that.
And I think that's about it, right? You want to
If we
run
save
the,
it and see what happens, yeah.
yeah, save it and then I can run this. Okay, shall I run?
Go ahead.
Up arrow, enter.
It still failed.
Yeah. Okay. I should guess a letter. Why should we say guess a letter? Okay, start new game or feature colon 7. Let's just open that. What the heck is this? This 7. Scenario
Hold on.
start a new game.
Wait, okay, go back to the part 4 cucumber stuff.
Okay.
So it talks about the form tag, blah blah blah. And then it says view how the steps are actualized in app RB and then go to under the post / create do root. What if we just need to do post # create?
Okay, we'll try that. Well, these are actually under the post. Okay. Let's
So
try this,
this is
please. Come
create
down.
and then this is post.
Okay, sounds good. Save. I'll run it again. Saved. Okay, I'm running.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Voila! Brilliant. Congratulations. Okay, let's move on further.
Great. Stage and commit all files locally.
I'll do that. Status. Yeah. Okay. Get that. Martin. Status. Part 4 working. Yeah, sounds good to you.
Sounds good.
I'm just typing something. Alrighty, I'm just committing it. Alright, I've committed. Now what next?
Okay. Blah blah. Okay, git push hw2 master.
Which line number are you reading right now?
129.
Okay. We did just okay. Push hw2 master. hw2. Oops.
Oh, that was bad.
So, which means now when we open our hw2 site, we should be able to see the new game
Yep.
initializing. Is that what is the expectation? Okay. Do you want to open that? Let's see.
Coming back. Okay.
Go back to the bash.
Yeah, it says play hang person, and then if we hit new game, it doesn't die.
That's awesome.
Guess the letter,
Awesomeness.
wrong guesses, word so far. This is great. Because I'm curious.
Okay.
Guess.
Yeah, me too.
No.
What happened?
I don't think that was a letter.
No, but then at least it should increase, right? The 7.
Is
Somewhere it
that
should keep.
displayed? Yeah. Okay. So that's not working quite yet.
Maybe that's what we have to do next.
I think that is, yeah.
Search
Okay.
a question.
Yeah, it's blah blah blah, and then it says 142. Develop the scenario for guessing a letter.
Yes.
For this
So
scenario, in features, hash guess feature, I've already provided a correct show ERB HTML file that submits the player's guess to the guess action. You already have a hang person game hash guess instance method that has the needed functionality. Okay, so what are we supposed to do with it?
I think you could just like scroll down to line number 191.
Self-check, continued self-check.
No, no, line 191. Just
Yeah, I
don't
see
miss
it.
that.
And then
Awesomeness.
guess code in the Sinatra app. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
so if we go
So
back to
yes,
app.rb,
and he has given some solution in line number 185, so that we can perhaps even use that.
it says it's given in the code for the first bullet point and the third bullet point. So I think we only have to do the second one.
Um, it's in app.rb, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What did you say?
Yeah, it's done the first bit and the third bit. We just need the second line.
Oh, okay. Okay. Awesome. Okay. So it has got the letter that has been guessed. 2s and no 0. Okay. Now, guess is repeated.
There's a guess on the. Oh, so we just call our guess method.
Yes. Do
You
you
want
recall
to do it?
how did we? Sure. Um, did I recollect how did we do it the last time? So I'm going to open the spec. It was Hangman spec, right? Game spec.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay.
move something.
Okay. So
What did I
I
just
got a
do?
call. But where is, have we initialized the game? Okay, it's at game. Okay, so if I take this, should be at game dot guess, right?
Yeah.
And do I pass the parameter? How do I pass the parameter to is there?
I
With the
think
braces, okay.
braces. Yeah, normal braces.
And I can just say a letter like this, right?
Yeah, better. I think that should do it.
Now I need to. No, but if the guess is repeated, we need to set flash. How do we do that right now? Which means, how did we implement our guess? Is it all? No, I don't think so. That's all right. We need to do more than that. Where did we implement it yesterday? App.rb. No, our implementation was where?
Oh crap! I keep moving things. Hold on.
Okay, in hang person game.rb. Yeah, right. So in the hang person game.rb, we implemented guess. So now, how do we figure out if it's a?
What do you mean if it's a?
No, I was just trying to think like, okay, so now what we have already called the guest, right? Now the
Mm-hmm.
guest is going to return back what to us? He's going to return back true or false, right?
Yeah.
That's what he's going to return. Now, if he's false, then I can. So let's just say that we put this in some dummy variable like this, right? If dummy or not of dummy, how do I do not? I just write not. Is that how it
Or
is?
exclamation point. I think.
Okay. Let's, you want me to try the exclamation or not?
Either one. I'll
Okay,
check if
let's
you
leave it
want.
at not. So I'm just saying set flash. Um, is this how we are supposed to do?
Where's your cursor at?
Line number 44. Is that how it is?
Wait, where does it
Do you
change?
have any? Are you not able to see where it's getting changed? No, no, no.
It's C155, but
No. Go back to app dot rb.
oh, wrong file. That would explain a
Don't
lot.
close that. Don't close that. Yes, yeah. So I just typed this line number 43, 44, and 45. So I'm just saying you put dummy. Dummy is equal to game of guess. Game dot guess of letter. So it's going to return back a positive or I mean true or false.
If not
So
dummy. Oh, yeah, that works.
right. So the only thing is now how do you figure out if it's a repeat?
Oh, you mean calling all the other methods?
No. So you remember we had this. If it repeated multiple times, it would return back what false.
Yeah, all of that
Something was
stuff.
there. Yes. So we should. That's what we are supposed to do here, right?
Wasn't it already referenced in here somewhere to check for that?
No. Where is it?
Or maybe that's part 5. Corner cases. I'm assuming it's to fix all of that.
No, but if you see line number, so if in the app.rp, the line number 38 and 13 kind of explains what is that we are supposed to do here, right?
Oh,
Since if
yeah,
it
that's definitely
guesses,
part 5 though, because it tells you read the code. It gives you read the comments. It gives you hints for the next section.
where are we both reading the same file? Okay, you are okay. Part 4. Okay, so extract the letter summary of the wrong number. Okay, so you want me to just call only that game.guess, that's all right.
That's all
The
for
rest all
now,
you don't
and
want.
then just read the comments and then move on. And then I think we're supposed to run
Okay.
the cucumber file, and then I'm assuming part 5 is where you have to fix all the commented stuff.
Okay, I've just commented out the code that I wrote. I'm saving my file. Uh yeah.
I'll run it.
Yep.
Uh,
Guess
what?
cucumber. No,
Oh,
you
yeah,
got
I ran the wrong thing, didn't I? What am I supposed to be running?
no one more up. Just give one more up arrow. One more. Just hold on a second.
Oh, there.
Yes. So you can put features slash and then no, that'll run the previous one. We need to run the guest feature. That'll run the start new game feature.
What am I supposed to run the?
So let me just take control of that.
Yeah,
So
I'm terrible with Bash. It's like bad.
that's okay. So here they want us to run the guess. Oops. Features guess dot feature.
Worked.
What? Amazing. Okay. All right. So let's move on to the next. Oh,
Yeah,
that's it.
that's it for part 4. Yeah, and now part 5.
We're on a roll, baby. Okay. Let's get the part 5 on. Okay.
Okay. Wait, we should have 2 out of 4 working at this point. All of them are working.
Uh, what all is supposed to be working? What do you mean with 2 out of 4?
Part 5.
Right.
You know how it says pick a scenario to work on? You should have 2 out of 4. Aren't all of ours working?
I guess.
Okay, that was nice.
We are good. We are very good.
That's so random. Why does it work? Okay. I'm not
Shh.
gonna
We are
complain.
live. We are live. You can't say such words live on air. Let's get off air and say such things.
Um, okay. Use this
So
message to
use
develop
this.
the complete remaining actions win and lose. Wait, didn't we already do this?
No, we didn't, right? So we should go back to app. The slash win and slash lose and slash show is not connected to our uh, Hangman Rappers code.
Okay. So we should fix that.
Yes. So now we gotta. How are we gonna display this? Okay, so we gotta do check win or lose.
Yeah, I think we're just supposed to call our previous methods.
Yes. So we're just supposed to call. Okay, so let's. So does the part five say that we'll have to do all of them? Right. That's what he's saying, right?
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay. Let's just get the ball rolling. Let's go back to app.rb. Let's take the slash show, right? Which line of 5454. So every time a guess is made, we should eventually end up at this route. Use existing commands in hang person game to check if player has one loss or neither, and take appropriate action. Notice that the show.erb normally expects to use the instance variable wrong guesses in word with guesses from game. What? Okay. 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 Let's see.
Um, okay, it
So I
wants instance variables? What?
sorry. Yeah. Look. So if just going back to our code, what we wrote yesterday, right?
Yeah.
The let's go back to the hang person game.rb. So we defined a couple of instance variable guesses, wrong guesses, and few other things, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So looks like um, what if you open show.erb, which is inside the views,
Show
show.erb,
ERB.
scroll down.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So if we actually see what he is doing in line number 10, 11, and 16, right? He's directly saying add game dot wrong guesses. Add game dot word with
Oh,
guesses.
yeah, no, I get it. All right, that makes sense.
Yeah, so basically we just gotta keep these variables filled appropriately and correctly. That's just
All
about
right.
it. Which we have already done yesterday. So now what we have to do in show is every time a guess is made, we should eventually end up in this route. Use existing method in hand questions, check if a player has one loss or neither. So
Shouldn't
if
we
you
pretty
go
much
to
just run at game dot check win or lose?
yes, that's okay. So I'm just copying, pasting here. Just let me know if it is game dot check win or lose.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, that's about it. Right now, based on the return value, we need to see if we have to continue to play. So basically, if this returns true, uh, then
Returns
perhaps we
win.
should just. Oh, sorry. If returns win, yeah, then we should perhaps just redirect to slash win, just like how
Yeah.
he has done in line number 46. We'll just do something here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's just call it dummy equal to if dummy uh, dot to s, right? We can do this way, right?
Yep.
Redirect direct to slash. Make sense?
Yep. Makes sense.
Um,
And
Is
then
there
if
any else if?
you should take it to lose, well, else if, yeah.
Yeah, so else if dummy dot us equal to um are you also typing?
Yeah, I'm just doing the redirect to hash play.
Oh sure.
Wait, does it even need anything or just?
No, I don't think so you need the hash play. I just guess. I think
I
we
think
might
it
have
just
to just
happens if we don't, yeah.
yeah. That's my
So
guess
no
too.
else if, it's just else. Or
No,
actually, it's else if, yeah. Else
the
just leave
else
it
if
be, yeah.
yeah. So here we go to try loose. Uh, if you say redirect to slash loose and end, right?
Yep,
That's about it, right?
pretty much, yeah.
Okay, so
That
do you
bit's
wanna?
done.
Sorry.
That bit's done. Are we supposed to do something with the top comments?
Which comment are you referring to?
37 through 39.
I thought we were supposed to, but then you were saying that we don't have to, right?
Yeah, it
Uh,
wasn't working for whatever reason, but
no, but we ran only guest dot feature. If you see inside the features directory, there is still repeated underscore guest dot feature and game over dot feature. We haven't run that. So if we run, I think maybe those things will fail.
probably. I'm wondering if it yells at you at some point in part 5 to fix it. Um,
See, if you go back to the part five text, right? In
yeah.
line number, what's the line number? 27. He says what to submit. Make sure all Cucumber scenarios are passing.
Yeah. I think we have to do one more thing.
Yeah.
Um, have we done game dash over dot feature?
We haven't done that. That's what I'm saying. So we have done only guest dot feature and start new game dot feature. So we still have to do repeated guest dot feature and the game over dot feature. We
I'm
haven't
gonna throw
done
it in the
those.
dash then. It's probably gonna yell at us about the other thing. Yeah. Uh,
Cucumber
oh, yeah.
features.
It's features.
Yeah. Yeah. So in Bash, if you hit a tab, it'll
I
actually
know it pulls up the
normally
previous command.
no. If you put the up arrow, which is the previous command. If you put a tab, it kind of fills up, auto fills.
Oh, yeah, that's
Yeah.
nice.
Enter.
We're still passing.
What?
It's so weird. Okay.
Okay. Could you just run the entire features directory just like how is done in line number 28? Cucumber features. Just remove the game
Yeah,
over
my
feature. Yeah.
backspace is lagging.
No problem.
Come on.
Yes.
Do I need the dash?
No. I think yes. Yes. I
Okay.
think you. Yeah.
Oh, it
Ah.
finally
Okay.
failed something.
So repeated guess is the one that's failing for us, right? Because we have not filled those things properly,
Yeah, we should probably fix that now.
right? So which means that we have fixed these. Wow, I can't believe we actually fixed.
37 through 39.
Yeah. Um.
I'm just gonna take the comments off. That should work.
I guess. I think we We gotta remove the word set from there. My guess is it should be like this.
Probably, yeah. If a guess is repeated, flash message, do you have already used that letter?
So do you want to try? Shall I run that?
Yeah,
I'm
sure.
going.
We'll make sure one of
I'm going to
them.
the. Yeah, we'll just take one step at a time. What did we do?
What just
No.
happened?
Okay. So basically, the Ruby crashed. This is wrong message. So we just did something wrong. So we'll have to figure it out what to do.
Maybe set was
Okay.
actually necessary.
Maybe not. We just need to figure out how do we. Um, just okay. Try set. But I doubt it's the one. But yeah, just run it and see what happens. In the meantime, I'll just go Google for it and come back to see what is this crappy shit. Okay.
No, we still have the same problem.
It's confusing. I tend to forget it very often. Okay, maybe it's not equal to, so let me remove set. So what they're saying is you gotta do like this. Saw it?
That would probably that makes sense actually because it's like a pending string. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you wanna try running now?
Yep.
Bash.
On it.
I've saved. I saved it
Save.
already.
Oh, alright.
Tell me it runs.
No.
No, okay. Wait a minute. So what is this flash? This flash is what? Where does he get that flash keyword from? It's Sinatra flash. Is that what it is?
I think he imported up top. He required Sinatra hash flash.
Yeah. But how do we see the flash name?
I think it's literally just supposed to report back to the user that that's whatever you
Yeah,
set it
actually,
at.
if you open the show.erb, is actually using flash colon message. I think we did it right. Or this
Is it
flash.
dummy that's the problem? Has dummy
No,
been
actually, if you
defined by the time we get here?
oh crap, there is no dummy. You are beautiful. Thank you. We removed dummy there. That's about it. And this is equal to only. If you see line number 15 or 10, right? Take 15. Take 15 in the same
Yeah, okay.
app.rb. So I think it's just equal to that is right. So I've saved
Yeah, it
it.
was just
Just
dummy
run the
wasn't
code.
a thing. That's why.
Yeah. Shit. Okay. Crap.
Okay, well it's not aborted.
Ah. Okay, it's running. Still.
It's different scenarios.
Oh really?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, so which means that we can still say the problem is both repeated and invalid. Hey, no, invalid. We were returning argument error, right?
What do you mean?
So if you go back to our hang person underscore game dot rb,
Mm-hmm.
in the guess function, we were returning false for a bunch of things and returning raising an argument error if it's an invalid input, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So guess can be of three state. Either the guess is valid and correct, so then we would populate the appropriate index in the in the string and then replace it with that letter. Right? I
Yeah.
mean, replace the dashes with that letter. That's one state. The second state is the guess is wrong, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the extension of the state is the guess is wrong and it is being repeated, right? Then
Yeah.
the third state is it can be a non-character, right? It can be a special character. It can be you remember you have raised argument error
Yeah.
line number 42 for that. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So my guess is he's asking us to handle that.
To do what?
So okay, so if you come back to app dot rb, yeah, so that invalid guess that I've highlighted,
Mm-hmm.
I think that should have been you already used that letter,
Oh, that kind of makes sense. Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So now we need to know the other thing that this guy is doing is catch. He's raising an exception, right? How do you catch the exception?
Hold on a second. This is saying if it's not that letter, you've already used that letter. Isn't that still
Sorry.
invalid guess? And then if you have used that letter, it's separate?
Good point. So how do we differentiate between these two? We
I
haven't
think
done
we
that.
should go back to what we had before because that fixes invalid guess. And
No, this is
then
not invalid because it's not. Okay, so you're saying it's like this, but my point is in that case, line number 43 is wrong. That's where we actually catch the
I
argument
think it
error.
fixed it. It fixed invalid guess, but it didn't fix you've already used that letter.
It didn't fix the invalid guess. However, where is the guess invalid? It's still letter. It's not
Didn't it fix
fixing
invalid
the.
guess? The problems are now re-guessing a correct letter and re-guessing an incorrect letter.
So let me just open
Wait,
this.
comment it out and try running it. I think it's different errors.
Okay. Comment which one out?
Comment the if not dummy, that whole thing out. And then watch, it'll be different errors, I think.
Okay. So let me. I've commented it out. I'm running. Okay. So
Go
this
for
time
it.
let me directly run the repeated guest or feature so that we will not spend too much time. See, it's the same line number 7 and 15.
Wait, run the whole thing.
This is still same two things. Fairly.
Wait, but then we didn't do anything to fix invalid guess. Why is that working?
Where it didn't, it's not working, right?
If a guess is invalid, set flash message to invalid guess.
That we just commented it out. Right now, let me uncomment it and let me run it. So
Oh,
I
wait,
have,
no, I get it. So if it's a wrong guess, it should tell you invalid guess, but if it's a guess that does work, but you've already used it, you've already used that letter.
Possible. But we're still getting the same two lines as failed.
No, I get it. So invalid guess is supposed to show as a message if you re-guess a wrong guess, and if you re-guess a right guess, we're supposed to ignore it, right? So it says you've already used that letter.
Uh,
Which makes sense with the test. So the if not dummy thing doesn't do anything. Because it's always going to be dummy. That's not what it's
why?
testing
Why would it?
for.
Why would it always be dummy?
Because I think what that's doing is it's testing for if dummy is somehow different from @game.guessLetter, but the user has no way of technically changing that after it gets passed in.
Okay, see, let's just take this one at a time, right? So the game is going on. So if you actually go back, open the repeated underscore guest dot feature file, right?
Where's that?
Just it's right there in the feature folder. Go back, scroll up, features.
Features.
There you go, repeated failures.
Uh
Oh, wait, why you closed it? You closed it.
oh.
Right, okay. Repeated failures. The third one, yes. See, what does he say, right? So it's pretty descriptive. So now the scenario 7 and 15 are the two scenarios that is failing for us, right?
Mhm.
So in both the cases, in one case, okay, let's take the scenario 7. The given word is bumblebee. He's guessing B for the first time, and then he's guessing B again,
Mhm.
right? In this case, we have to say that okay, you have already used that letter because it's a repeated guess. The first time it was valid, mind you. B
Oh
is a
no, I see. Okay, so both of these are you've already used that letter.
yes.
Wait, then why is it that when we comment out the dummy thing, it's the same errors? Shouldn't there be more errors?
Because any which ways we are not doing that, right?
Okay.
So I just ran it again. Ah, voila, it worked. So in app.rb, I just replaced that invalid guess to you already used that letter.
Hold on, it's stalling. Come on, go to app.rb. Why is it grayed out? It won't let me in.
Right? What are the chances? Why? Why would it create art?
Okay, opening a new one.
Yes.
There, okay. That was odd.
So line number 44, I replaced that with you already have used that letter. All
And it
right.
worked?
And yeah, just come back to the bash.
Uh, what? Now my bash went away. Really?
Seriously, this is they
Kind
did a
of
very good
buggy.
job. Why the bash would go away? No, don't. Because that's how we are sharing things.
Ah,
If you
I
actually
think I
go
found
to
it, actually. Okay, I'm back.
your back, oh nice. See, if you see he has done all the
Yeah, it's all
you can
packed.
actually close the part file, it'll still work. So right now I just ran only the repeated guess thingy. Now I'll
Mm-hmm.
try and run uh, the entire features directory. All of them passed.
Yay.
Awesomeness. Hey, you know what? So the way C9 works right now is, if you actually see my screen share, you'll see that the entire bash has become super small for me.
Yeah, mine is currently at the bottom of the screen in a scrolly thing.
Yeah,
It's
so
small.
whatever is your size is what I'll get as my size too.
I don't know how
So
to resize this.
right, so go to close the
Oh wait,
part five
actually, I
above.
figured it out. Hold on.
No, close the
Does
part
this
five
work?
above. Just
Fixed it.
we don't want the part five above, right? Just close that. Yeah.
Yay.
Great. Okay, so we're done with part five.
I think, wait, there was one
Let's
thing at the bottom.
which what
It says game over, push to her. I think we're supposed to push it and make sure it still works.
you want me to open part five again?
Yeah, and then it says while you're playing, what happens if you directly add hashwin to the end of the URL? You have to make sure
Where
they
are
can't
you?
cheat.
Where are you reading that? Okay.
23.
While playing, what happens if you directly add slash win to the end of your make sure the play cannot cheat by simply visiting slash win. Consider how to modify actions of win lose to prevent this. Wow, man. These guys are not going to let go of us easily. Okay, so let's go back to no yeah. So here again we gotta run the uh this win or lose. Only if it is a only if it is a success we allow it to
Hold on a
allow
second. Do
the
we
win to
actually have to
happen.
do that? It just says consider.
I thought we have to, right?
It says what to submit. Make sure they're all passing. It
Yeah,
doesn't say
so
we technically have to do it.
you okay, I'm with you on that. I don't mind. I haven't slept last night. I don't mind sleeping tonight. By the way, this should be pretty simple, yeah. See, I'll tell you what. Um, see, I'm just gonna copy. If you go back to app, uh,
It's still grayed out. What the heck? Okay, there.
are you able to see what I've done?
Um. Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
Do I need to do this? I don't know. You might not have to do this, right? Redirect.
Um, I don't think it's necessary.
Right.
It wasn't
Okay.
necessary before, right? So
Yeah.
I'm gonna save and run
Uh,
that.
yeah. So do you want to do the slash get slash loose to something similar so that we can
I'm just gonna make
finish
sure
that
that all
one?
the tests didn't screw up.
Fail. All right. Yeah. Works for me.
We have a fail.
Something failed?
Game
You
over
can't.
because I guessed the word.
Oh, okay. I got it. Sorry. So I gotta do colon and like this. Public string.
Where?
Could you run the could you run the test again?
What did you change? Missed it.
Okay, go back. I'll tell you what did I change. So earlier it was a string. I was comparing it with the string, but if you notice, check win or lose actually returns a symbol. It doesn't return
Oh,
a
yeah.
it's comparing the symbol, right?
Yep, it all passed.
Yeah. So do you want to do the same thing for to switch over? Do you want to do the same thing for the lose?
Sure.
You could actually put win or lose and dot two underscore s to make it like no. If you don't want, if you just want to try out something different, just make it that way instead of returning checking against the symbol.
Wait, you so change it to a string and
Yeah, I'm just saying if you want to do something different, just for the end of the day, this is all learning exercise. So yeah,
also it would have to be
directly put within quotes. You can do within quotes there.
within quotes.
Yeah,
Oh, as in just lose as a string, yeah.
yeah.
There we go.
Awesomeness.
I don't know who would actually like go in and put dash lose at the end of the URL just because though. Like,
I hope not.
really?
So save. Shall I run
Yeah, saved.
the bash thing?
You go ahead with the bash I saved.
Running.
Yeah, we're good.
Voila. Okay. So is there anything else that we're missing from the
That's the entirety of part
part?
5. I think it says deploy to hw2 and submit the URL of our deployed game.
All right. Oh. Okay. So get status. So we'll get add minus a and get commit and uh, part 5 completed. Right. Then we do a git push Heroku master.
Hey, look, part 6 is literally just text. Moving on.
Okay, so we just need to store this this link. That's about it. I'm just saying it in our chat. Okay,
And then that's literally what we have to submit instead of a file.
awesome. Okay,
Wait, is this what we
let's see.
submit to edX instead of a file?
I don't know. Oh, awesome. Go on. Find it. Find what it is. I hope it is not A1, V1, W1, R1.
Nah, there's a T in it. E doesn't work. Oh, crap. What did I just do?
What? What did you do?
I
Why?
hit
Why would
yes
you do?
without having anything in there. A
Okay, shit, that's bad. Oh,
anteater?
awesome. So
No, there's not. There's better than that.
Anteater.
That doesn't
What are
work.
you?
Uh, oh, I feel like it needs more vowels. No? Okay. B?
S S
S?
S. Yeah.
Mhm.
Shit. Okay.
Are we seriously
Okay.
losing? Okay,
R
I?
R. Try R.
R?
Yeah.
I?
Awesome.
Artery?
Okay,
No.
this
R?
should
What? Terror? That's not a word.
the last one should be Y.
Probably.
What is it? What? Arbitrary.
Arbitrary.
BI.
That makes
Yeah.
sense, yeah. BI.
Did we just win? I. Give me I. Give me I.
Nice.
Eh,
Alright,
We recorded, we played, we won. Sounds surprising.
this is
All right.
great.
So,
Okay, so part 6 is just all text.
okay.
Are we doing the optional
Which
challenge or
we
moving
know how
on
to do.
with life?
Let's just look into it. What does it say?
Uh, this is just telling us to find a file. It's a lot of self-checky type things. Create and deploy locally a SOA endpoint that mimics the behavior of the random word generator service we used in this assignment.
Okay, let's just move on. I mean, it's
Yeah, we're too close to the deadline to bother, you know.
exactly. Okay, so now we need to submit what all? Um,
I think it's quite literally this link.
and the YouTube links.
Yeah, and that. Oh, did you say it was only showing 15 minutes? When I click it, it's the full 4 hours.
No, no, no. What happened was you sent to me right immediately after that I clicked. So my understanding is now I'm just guessing is
Mm-hmm.
that YouTube has a lag, right? Whatever we are doing right now, though it called YouTube Live, I think
Yeah,
it has a lag of about 3 to 5 minutes. So I think I was just seeing the last 5 minutes of the video. So when I went to the beginning, it just showed 15 minutes. I was like, what the heck? But today morning, I woke up and I clicked, it showed me the entire 2 hours of the video. So I was like, okay. Or 4 hours of the video. I said, yeah, good.
okay, that's good.
Uh,
I'll
okay.
send you this link too. Oh, I'm gonna stop broadcast now since we're done.